Hey guys, so I had this and it's been a couple months. This purchase in November, and I'm opening it now and I'm trying it on now. Finally have some time.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. My name's Elena. For those of you who don't know me, Elenitasjourney on Instagram. You probably know me by Elenita. So for today's video, I'm a little sweaty. As you can see, I am at the gym. Happy New Year to everyone that's starting to go to the gym or is new, starting all over again. Congrats to you, because you're focusing on something that you truly matters to you. And don't get discouraged. Just a heads up, because we all go through it where we stumble, we fall, but we always get back up. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Shefit bra, as you guys can see in the thumbnail. And I've worn their bras before. This is my first purchase of the bra, and I absolutely love the bra. So I'm gonna give you a review, overall review. I'm gonna give you an overall review on this bra. So please stick around if you would like to see it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notifications button to know when I'm be posting. So stick around if you want to continue to watch the rest of it.
All right, hey guys, so I am currently wearing the Shefit bra. I'm sweaty, so mind you, I just had a quick workout. So what I like about this bra is that you can actually pull these out and you can lift up your girls and they're up. Earlier I had it down and then I was looking at myself like, this feels so weird, and it looks so weird that come on, let's face it, girls, boobs sag. I don't have fake boobs, so my boobs sag. So when I had it like that, I was like, oh, okay. So when I brought it up, I was able to actually feel the difference of it, which is a good feeling. And it has the zipper here. So you have a zipper that goes from down here going all the way up here. And then in the inside, I'm not gonna show you, but the inside you can clip it. And so you could clip it first, and then you could use the zipper to zipper up the whole way so it stays. What I like about this bra is that, first of all, this on the top of it, and then at the bottom, I'll show you in a second, at the bottom is thick. So the bra at the bottom is super thick, which I like about it, because it's hard to find bras that are thick at the bottom, which I don't mind it because of the material that's in the bra. So let me show you it in a second. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the part that I like. I like that the actual band of it is like longer here. And then if I turn around, you can see that it's a really thick side band. So the side band of it goes the whole way around. And then at the back of it, you have Velcro, which this Velcro piece you can take out, you can stretch it, and you can tighten it. And then I missed my Velcro. So you could tighten it from there, and that's how the back piece looks. And then same thing here on the back where you have the X, you can actually remove this part, and you don't have to have the X of it. You can actually, if you pull it off, you pull this off, and then you pull off the other one, you could put it as a regular standard bra if you don't want to have the X. But I actually like the X. I would recommend the X. It lifts you up, and I'm actually gonna do a test for you guys as far as the bouncing with the jump rope with the bra, and it feels nice. I've had the bras before. One of them actually hurt me in the center for some reason. I think it was just the material at the bottom was jammed, and I'll show you. This part right here was like sticking out. So one of the bras that I used to have like would hurt me. It would like pinch into my skin. This one doesn't have it. So I think it was either that one would have been a defective one. This one I purchased, no advertising. This one I purchased myself. And the reason why I am creating a video is because they actually reached out to me. I love the bras. I love the bras. But I declined to partner with them, but I'm open to do it again this year. It's just last year was it was a funk, to be honest, and then other stuff in my way, and things weren't going the way I was, so on. But anyways, enough of that gossip. I'm here now and I wanted to show you guys how the bra is, and I really truly love it. Obviously there's other bras I wear. This isn't the only bra I wear. This is the first time I'm actually wearing it since I've got this color. And this size is a 3 Luxe. You can see in the size charting how they measure in size, but this is a 3 Luxe. And I typically wear a 38 DD. So that was equivalent to what I have, and actually fits pretty well. Plus I like how you can adjust it, the bandwidth of it in the back to your liking, which is really, really convenient. And it's a really comfy bra. So what I'm gonna do is just do a little couple of exercises to show you guys, because I just completed my workout, just so you guys can see as far as the movement of the bra. So I'm still jumping, but it doesn't feel like a pressure onto my boobs. Like, you know when you're wearing the wrong bra, or you're wearing a bra that doesn't have enough support, you feel pressure on your boobs, like on like a weight, if you know what I mean? Like a weight that every time is jumping and jumping. So the band of it, I feel secures it as far as this part too, because you can pull it down, and as much as you tighten it up, it's giving it stability to keep them up versus them down. So as you're jumping, it's gonna keep them up, and you're not gonna have them bounce to bounce to bounce. So that's a really good thing. And so that was just a quick little spiel about this bra. I actually really, really like it. I'm gonna see if I can get a code for you guys. So if you're thinking about purchasing these bras, now it really just depends which bra you're looking for. This one, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna correct myself later if I'm wrong, but I believe this one is the ultimate one. I could be wrong. This one prices at $65. Now when you're first signing up, I do believe you get like a discount code or so on. And then I'm gonna try to see if I can find you a discount code, because I just purchased like a regular customer. So I can try to see that. I believe there's a referral or so on, a referral program. So I like it. Of course, it's not gonna, like, it's always hard to find a good bra. And when it comes to working out and so on for plus size women, it could be challenging because I'm not the only one, right? I obviously always have this roll, even if I'm wearing a bra, the roll of it shows, right? And the roll of it is like that because I have lonjas. It's not because the bra is tight, it's not because whatever, it's because I have lonjas. My lonja stops right there, and then everything is the rest. So this one I like because it's thick on the side of it. And either way, I have my lonja on the side. You know what I mean? And I'm okay with it, and I'm fine with it. And I love my lonjas. I love my body, you know? It's always important. If you're going through fitness, if you're going through weight loss, if you're going through bodybuilding, like, no matter what, love and cherish your body internally and accept yourself for who you are, because no one else can change you. You know, you can only change yourself internally, and you can change outside externally, but you have to be willing to love and accept who you are first in order to improve yourself. So don't get caught up into, I have to look like this, or I want to be like that. Be your own version of yourself, and don't allow someone else's standards to define who you are as a person. So don't get discouraged, and, you know, love yourself regardless. So this sports bra, you know, gives you confidence, and, you know, if you're looking for a good sports bra, this will definitely give you the confidence and boost that you need if you're looking for that. Now, if you're looking for other kind of stuff, you know, you can always reach out to me and reach out to my personal pages at Elenitasjourney on Instagram. and promoting body positivity, body confidence, and self-love, which I think it's really crucial for anyone, especially just as a human being, you know, especially living in society and living in this world, trying to be the best version that you can be. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review slash little trial thing or whatever. You know, it's something new, something different. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notifications buttons, or if you haven't checked out any of my other social media platforms, check me out at Elenitasjourney. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget, like I said, to love yourself regardless. You know, you're beautiful, and set and out. Until next time. Bye guys.